This interactive prediction tool predicts permeability for dual pore-type systems at given porosities. Input areas are marked by yellow background color. The input porosity can be selected by dragging the porosity slider, by entering a value in the cell, or by using the up-down arrows. The dominant and subordinate pore types are selected from the radio buttons. Additionally, the P10 to P90 permeability value can be selected by pressing the appropriate radio button. If a subordinate pore type is selected, its volumetric contribution to the overall porosity can be chosen in this input box down here. The default value is 30%, but we can change this in this box here. The expected and P10 to P90 permeabilities are given in the green boxes. By hovering the cursor over the black pore type box in the top of the screen, an explanation of the pore type codes is given. The prediction tool can only handle one input sample at a time. Multi-data entry is available from the right yellow frame. We first select the Multi-Data Entries radio button. A new radio button selector appears with the choice of Demo or Licensed. The Demo version has no functionality, but is available with a standard subscription. In the licensed full version, licensed companies have access to their own private tool. This preserves data security. The licensed version requires a premium subscription. Let's take a look at the licensed version. A valid licensed company name has to be entered into the text box. And then we press the Go button. The Multi-Data Entry tool opens in a new tab in your web browser. The first worksheet gives some introductory instructions. The prediction tool follows in the next worksheet. Input data cells have a yellow background color, whereas the prediction data normally are given in cells with a green color. Only yellow cells can be edited, all other cells are locked. The first thing to do is to enter or paste data into columns A to D. Data entries into columns A and D are optional. Results are presented as expected permeability in column E and as probability in column F. Predictions carried out on porosities beyond the model's data control are extrapolated and are marked by red color in column G. Probabilities can be given as P10 to P90 in 10% increments, and this can be selected in this cell. When subordinate pore types are applied, the relative contribution of the dominant and subordinate pore types can be controlled by changing the value in cell H4. The default is 70% contribution from the dominating pore type, and we will normally use this. Be aware that calculations may take a while, so please be patient.